Before the arrival of our reptilian friends, there was a period known as the Permian period. A carnivorous creature known as Arctops roamed the planet with other creatures. The etymology of Arctops is bare face. It was 2 feet long. Its skull was 30 centimeters long. Its fangs were used to pierce flesh. Another creature known as the Dimetrodon shared the planet with the Arctops. The etymology of Dimetrodon is 2 measures of teeth because of its 2 long sabre-like teeth. The sail on its back was probably used to maintain body temperatures. The Permian period had ended with the huge volcanic activity and the lack of oxygen. This extinction was known as the Great Permian Extinction. It was the largest mass extinction in the history of Earth. Due to the Permian extinction, a new era emerged known as the Mesozoic era, which had 3 periods: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. The early Triassic had the first dinosaur known as the Eoraptor. The etymology of Eoraptor is dawn plunderer. Its strong hind legs, size of 3 feet in length, and mass being less than 20 pounds, allowed it to go up to 25 miles per hour. A larger carnivorous dinosaur also came into being. It was called the Herrerasaur. The etymology is Herrera's lizard. It had a bite force of 25 newtons and it reached 10 feet in length. It also weighed 180 kg. Both of the dinosaurs stayed until the Triassic extinction. A reptile, not dinosaur, had evolved known as Postosuchus. It was a carnivore. Its etymology is crocodile from post. It had a closer relation to crocodiles than any other creature on earth. Unlike other lizards of its time, it had pillar-like upright legs. This tells us that they were fast creatures. The Triassic period came to an end due to volcanic activity. The Triassic extinction brought more advantages than disadvantages. It allowed dinosaurs to further evolve in the dormant species of the Mesozoic era. It was succeeded by the Jurassic period. The early Jurassic period brought rise to the Dilophosaurus. It means 2-crested lizard. The movies have depicted it as a dog-sized, venom-spitting, frilled creature. In reality, it was 20 feet in length and 6 feet in height. It weighed about 400 kg. It had a stronger bite due to its hard jaws and powerful muscles. The late Jurassic period gave rise to Apatosaurs. It meant false lizard. Its diet contained an extinct plant known as horsetail. Its mass was 22,000 kg maximum and speeds up to 20 km per hour. It had pointed teeth but swallowed plants whole. The baby Apatosaurus was almost 3 feet tall and 11.2 feet long. Alongside Apatosaurus, Diplodocus also came into being. Its etymology is double beam. It used its long tail as a whip to fend off predators like Allosaurus. Its length was 80 feet and height was 15 feet. It had a narrow body for its size being 13 feet. The absolute reason for the extinction of the Jurassic period was unclear, but some say that it was caused due to an impact between the Earth and a comet. It was succeeded by the Cretaceous period. One of the many dinosaurs from the early Cretaceous period was Baryonyx. Its etymology is heavy claw. Its genus was Spinosaurid and it was semi-aquatic like other Spinosaurids. Its claws were 31 feet long to catch fish and it had a crocodile-like skull to directly hunt fish with its head. Its crocodile-like skull also gave it a streamlined shape to allow it to swim at large speeds. Its length would lead up to 10 meters head to tail. Next off in the late Cretaceous period, a dinosaur known as the Gallimimus, which means chicken mimic, also came into being. It was fast but prey to creatures like Tyrannosaurus rex. Its diet consisted of plants, tiny insects, and lizards as it was an omnivore. These animals live in a pack. It is predicted that it might have ran up to 80 kilometers per hour. Its height was at least 2 meters at the hips. Lastly, we have the Triceratops. Its etymology is derived from Greek, which means three-horned face. Its diet only contained cycads and palms. It is an ancestor of the rhinoceros as it shares similar traits like charging, horns, and strong bones. They would usually protect their young with their horns. The males would also use them to scare off rivals or to fight for dominance with other triceratops.